Okay, just got home from my sister's. Well, here's the truck. A little dent there. These mirrors suck, but they work. They have the fender flares out. There's 3 of them on there. That one's missing. I have it, but it's broke. I was just going to take the other 3 off because it looks great without it. Dual tanks. Both tanks work. I use them. However, the fuel gauge only works on the rear tank. So I just have to look at my odometer on the front tank. It's got 5th wheel hitch, fold up gooseneck, nice toolbox goes with it. You can see the bed is in excellent shape. Tires are like brand new. I think they've got about, I'd guess 1,000 miles on them, if that. The seat was just done. Door panels are nice. It's got the rubber mat. It's got the typical Ford droopy sun visors. I do have the other one off, or I have it. I've got it off because I was trying to tighten up this spring in there to get them out of your way, but I haven't had time to come up with anything yet. Four-wheel drive works great. Winch works good. It's a 8,000 pound 8274 Warren. Best winch in my opinion you can get. Okay, it's not very cold here, but I just put 8 new glow plugs in it. Starts great. It starts about the same whether it's, well, it was 35 the other day, so when it started right up in the morning, it's got 51,699 miles. There's the overdrive for the gear vender. You can split the 3 and 4 speed. Actually the 2, 3, and 4, but I haven't used the 2 yet. Just been low geared. The axle has 373 gears in her. Let me see the keys. Smoke. Again, it's not that cold. It's got the Banks exhaust on it. The fuel filter. You gotta, it's the old school, you gotta blip the throttle to get the cold advance. So when it warms up, it'll automatically go down. Everything works on it. Headlights, everything. So, dang good truck. I just have too many of them, as you can see. But anyway, let me know if you have any other questions. Oh, I was going to show you underneath really fast. Hope this video is not too long. There's the gear vender overdrive right there. No major leaks. The worst leak's probably the power steering. Got to fill it up about once or top it off about once a month or longer. No axle seals leaking. I just adjusted the rear brakes. It's got a matching brand new tire up there. So yeah, appreciate the interest, and